Hello there, how are you all? Good evening. I'm Gharna. Tell you about my presentation. My presentation topic, the moving card. I'm Mohammad Helal, ID 1610150031, Department of CSE. Presentation outlines: Introduction, Software requirement, Project view, Code, Conclusion, References. Introduction. The file card applet is the starting point for this lab. The constructor establishes the size of the applet. Software requirements: NetBeans, Java applet, Windows 7 and each other. Let's go move the directly software. Here is code: animation Java, wide 4000, height 3000. The applet show 4 cards crossing each other at a square. Public class. Here is 4 variables used to vary the card's position. Integer value x1, x2, y1 and y2. If possible, different value use. Here is condition. Here is 2 condition, starting and ending. Set background color cyan and black. x1 plus 16% of 4000. Uses for root value. Here is 4 values x1, x2, y1, y2. Next, condition use. The road used to fill rectangles using black colored. Uses for colors values. Draw the white colored lines. Here is condition use. Draw line. For colored cards using filled round rectangles. Set color. Let's go. Run the output values. Output view. Here is output view. Here is 4 cards at a time cross the line without traffic. It is very good for us and help us without traffic. It not use our country, already use another country. We are previous days our requirement. We want justice. It the related. Here is code snapshot. Already know about that. Conclusion. In the first instance, it's rushing to catch up with the rest of the world, as the introduction of diesel engines from BMW, Mercedes and Acura testifies. At the moment, thought it's suffering in the same way as Europe and Asia, because the models that are being rolled out were being developed long before the green part beat. References. Have you any questions? Thanks for staying with me. Thank you so much.